Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to enable burst shooting mode on this device. So to enable this mode, you just have to quickly press this quick switch button here, and here you can select this mode. For example, you can set this burst mode here, and it will take 3 shots. As you can see, let's try to take these shots. And as you can see, it took 3 shots for me. It should have Let's try it one more time. Here you can select how many shots you want. You can select 3, 5, or even 7. As you can see, I took 7 shots, and I have 7 files here. And I can also switch it here. And now I can take 3 shots. And as you can see, now I have 3 files. You also have, by going to the quick switch, another mode, which is called AEB. And this is another quick switch mode, but here you can choose 3 steps with like these 3 EV or 2 EV options. But basically it works similar way. As you can see, I took 5 shots, and here I have 5 files. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.